Hello fellow YouTubers. Here's another video on an upgrade to the Phatmoto. I upgraded to a hydraulic front disc brake. There's the brake handle. There's the rotor caliper. The unit's called a Tektro. This particular one is the HD 285. They have an HDC 300. It's $29 on Amazon. Here's the original. Not too good a quality. This stuff it just doesn't work. This new setup is pretty good. It comes pre-bled. Piece of cake to install. Takes you maybe 15 minutes. Works outstanding. It just works. You see there's hardly any pull on that lever. Let me go around on this other side. That lever hardly moves at all, and it's just good braking. It doesn't like skid you to a stop. It's just a positive, quick stop. It's worth the 29 bucks. Pre-bled, piece of cake, easy as pie. And here's another problem. Look at this rear tire. It's wore out. About 800 miles, and this thing is totally wore out. Now look at this problem. Look at that bubble. Can you believe it? A bubble. It's just like the right near the bead is like just rotted. It's just cheap shit, just cheap rubber. So I got a new rear tire. I haven't put it on yet. It's a CST Rock Hard. It's about a $22 to $25 tire. It's Chinese too, but it's better than that stock one. But if you can afford it, you know, put one of those $50 tires on there. Yeah, I think this tire will hold up way better than this original. And that's about it. That front brake upgrade. I'm still working on trying to upgrade these rear brakes other than new quality pads put on them. Maybe the best thing to do is just completely buy a new setup, a quality B-brake setup, and that'll probably help. This is still the original. All I've done is upgraded the pads, but that's about it for the old Phatmoto. If you guys are wondering about checking your speed, if you've got a smartphone, all you need is a holder and put the speedometer app on there, and it gives you a good speedometer. It tells you how many miles you traveled, what direction, etc., how fast you're going. One more quick look at this hydraulic brake. I tell you, it's pretty good for 29 bucks. Now, if you can afford it, maybe go with the Shimano. You're probably going to pay about $39 and up, maybe $50, $60. But you can't beat the Shimano. But this tech too bad. Okay, that's about it for now.